Cancer-related fatigue isn't just tiredness. It's the kind of exhaustion that makes everyday tasks feel overwhelming. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with your energy, not against it during and after cancer treatment. I'm Dr. Alex Hill. I'm a board-certified physical therapist, and I specialize in oncology, pelvic health, and lymphedema. Make sure to subscribe to sign up for more cancer survivorship tips. Cancer-related fatigue is not your typical tiredness. It's deep, persistent, and it can last for months or years after your cancer treatment has ended. But there are ways to manage your energy so that you can do more of what matters to you. So let's talk about some energy conservation tips that you can implement easily that will actually make a difference. First, let's talk about pacing and planning. So one of the most effective ways to conserve your energy is by breaking up tasks. So, for example, instead of cleaning your entire home in one day, you might clean the bathroom one day, the kitchen the next, and so on. The same goes for doing your laundry. So you can wash and dry them one day, and then the next day you can fold them and put them away. Even when you cook, try doubling your recipe and freezing half so that you have a meal ready for those days when your energy is a bit lower. Next is optimizing your home. So make your home environment work for you, not against you. Keep frequently used items within easy reach to avoid having to bend over, lifting a lot, or climbing or reaching really high. Use a rolling cart or a laundry basket with wheels so you're not having to carry heavy loads. And try installing grab bars and non-slip mats in the bathroom. These are all things that can make your daily tasks safer and easier. Additionally, sit whenever you're able to when you're doing these different tasks and chores, including cooking, doing laundry, or even using a shower chair while you're washing up so you use less energy standing and more actually doing the task. Another key tip is to ask for help. It's okay to ask for help. Give yourself permission to. Get help with doing chores, errands, or childcare, and take people up on their offer when they offer to help. Delegating tasks and getting help isn't a weakness. This is a really smart way to manage the limited energy and focus on the things that only you can do or that are higher priority for you to do. It's also important to track your energy levels, especially if you're reintroducing exercises or daily activity or progressing your exercise. Keep a simple log of what kind of activity you do, how you felt immediately after, and how you felt the next day. This helps you notice if you're overdoing it. If you're feeling still really exhausted the next day, it's a sign that you need to scale back. If you feel okay though, you may be ready to slowly increase, but really listen to your body, track those symptoms, and this can help you make progress without having those big setbacks. My next tip for you is plan ahead for your shopping. So shopping can be surprisingly exhausting, so planning ahead can really help. Before you go to the store, make a list organized by the section. So for example, produce, frozen items, pantry staples, going to the deli. So you're not walking back and forth across the store because you forgot to get something. Try shopping at quieter, less busy times to avoid long lines and crowds. And don't hesitate to ask store staff for help loading the groceries into your car or into your cart to get out to the car. If you're able, consider using grocery pickup or delivery, even if it's just for a short time, to help save your energy for doing other things. Next up, let's talk about work. So if you're working during or after cancer treatment, talk to your employer about possible accommodations that would benefit you. Try flexible hours, remote work options, or a gradual return to work. These are all things that can help ease that transition. You can also ask for a quiet space to take short rest breaks, and having a chair available nearby that you can sit at can be really helpful when you are starting to feel a little bit more worn out. And finally, prioritize what matters most. One strategy I recommend is using the 3 Ps. So plan your day, prioritize what really needs to be done, and pace yourself throughout. Try to conserve your energy for the people, the activities, and the routines that are most meaningful and most prioritized for you, not just the daily checklist. If cancer-related fatigue is part of your life right now, remember this. Energy conservation isn't about just simply doing less. It's really about being mindful about doing what matters. So if you found these tips helpful to help manage your fatigue and your energy levels, please like this video, subscribe for more tools to support you in your recovery process after cancer, and make sure you check out my other YouTube videos to help you along your cancer survivorship journey, wherever that may be, and make sure you share this with somebody who needs it.